Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Kevin and Celes Philippine Life. So today, I will make dinner. So our dinner is battered chicken and na bread. So I have prepared a while ago. So this is the chicken and this is my dough. So it's already sit there. Then also this is my sauce for battered chicken. This is tomato puree with onions, cashew nuts. So I already cooked this a while ago. I stir fried and put it here, blend it. So this one is, this is the chicken with yogurt, masala, and lemon seasoning. All the seasoning, pepper, what do you call this? Garlic powder, onion powder. That's it. So now guys, I will make my na bread first, the dough. So I will wash my hands. I will get some towel, guys. So I will make now the na bread. So this is my dough. It's already sit. How many? You can see, guys. How it is look. So like that. So since I don't have any rolling pin, I'm using the, what do you call this? A glass, our drinking glass, to make this one dough. So this is my dough. So first I will get my thing. This one to set the dough and flour. This one, guys. So this is Kevin's favorite and also say my son. So I will sprinkle some. I don't know if you can see, guys. This. So this is my dough. By the way, this dough, guys, I have what do you call this? Moringa, dried moringa leaves. You can see, guys, this green. That is moringa leaves. Kevin wants to put moringa leaves on some of our food because we do research that that is healthy. So I put it every dough, cookies, all the one that I bake, I put it. So I need to make this dough. So it seems that our dough is very nice. So this is our dinner today. Na bread with Indian chicken butter. So it's not easy, guys, to knead a dough. Okay, guys, I'm done already making the dough, ready to cook. So I will cook this one on. Kevin is laughing on me. Really? Can you open the gas? Can you open the gas on the pantry? Thank you, baby. So I will start now, guys, making the na bread. It's my version. You know. So I'm using cast iron pan because Kevin wants this. Thank you, baby. So, you can see, guys. So this is the dough. I will cook this one by one using butter and, you know, we get butter. strain. We will use a strainer because the skin of the tomato, it will not blending, so we need to, make sure nothing any hole on our sauce. So this is done. I didn't taste this, so later, let's see. So our puree is done. Just wait. Oh yeah, it's almost done all the bread. So I'm using this also, guys, when I doing chicken satay. This masala is good. Taste, you know.
Your eyes, blood, facial recognition,
So I will make the fire a little bit, you know. So it will be boiling. See guys, our chicken butter. So I need only to put cream and butter. So it's already boiling, guys. It's time to put the butter. I think also I don't need to put some cream because when I taste it, I think the yogurt that I put is, you know. Some butter.
It was 2000
Babe, you will open the coconut or I am? You can do it. It's almost done, this butter. You can eat na. So I asked Kevin to do na his coconut. At the pantry. Thank you. So I think I will add a little bit of butter. Yeah, that one. So my video. Yes. So I will show you guys. Yes. It's okay. You come here. So I will show you guys. Din. Kumani ka digde. Sorry guys, I'm just talking to my son. So you see guys, this is my butter chicken. So I will let Kevin taste it, how it is taste with the naan bread. So I'm done cooking, guys. So this is the chicken butter and the bread. I already bite it, and Kevin is there eating already. So that is our dinner for today. Thank you again, guys, for watching our YouTube, our videos. Hope you enjoy it. Again, bye bye. God bless. We love you guys. Bye bye.